Welcome to Plus Ultra Roofing. Well, we're not just roofing experts, we're the guardians of your home, the protectors of your dreams. Today, we want to share with you the essence of who we are and why choosing us for your roofing needs is a decision you'll never regret. At Plus Ultra Roofing, we understand that your home is not just a structure, it's where memories are made, where families grow, and where your dreams take place. That's why, when it comes to your roofing, we don't just see shingles and nails. We see a vital part of your home's integrity, a shield against the elements, and a statement of your commitment to quality. Hello, I'm Mackenzie Mazerol, the proud owner of Plus Ultra Roofing. We founded this company with a vision to elevate the roofing industry by providing unmatched quality, exceptional service, and a customer experience that goes beyond expectations. Today, I want to share with you what sets us apart and why we're the right choice for all your roofing needs. It's heartening to hear such positive feedback from our valued customers, but what exactly makes us stand out? Let's delve into the core principles that define Plus Ultra Roofing. First and foremost, expertise. Our team of skilled roofers isn't just a group of professionals, they're craftsmen. With years of experience and commitment to ongoing training, our roofers are at the forefront of industry knowledge and best practices. Whether it's a minor repair or a complete roof replacement, you can trust that your project is in capable hands. But expertise alone isn't enough. What truly sets us apart is our unwavering commitment to quality. We use only the finest materials sourced from reputable suppliers, ensuring that your roof not only looks great, but stands the test of time. Our dedication to excellence extends to every aspect of our work, from the initial inspection to the final nail. Our commitment to quality is also reflected in our state-of-the-art equipment and cutting-edge technology. We invest in the latest tools and machinery to enhance efficiency, reduce turnaround times, and minimize disruptions to your daily life. When you choose Plus Ultra Roofing, you're choosing a roofing partner that leverages innovation to deliver unparalleled results. Of course, none of this matters if our customers aren't satisfied. That's why customer satisfaction is at the heart of everything we do. From the moment you contact us for an estimate to the final walkthrough of your completed project, our goal is to exceed your expectations. We believe that clear communication, transparency, and a focus on your needs are key to a successful roofing experience. Our friendly and knowledgeable customer service team is always here for you. Have a question? Need an update on your project? We're just a phone call away. Your peace of mind matters to us, and we're dedicated to making the entire process as smooth and stress-free as possible. But it's not just about expertise, quality, and customer satisfaction. It's about turning your vision into reality. Whether you're looking for a classic asphalt shingle roof, a sleek metal roof, or something entirely unique, we've got you covered. Our team works closely with you to understand your preferences, offering a range of options that suit your style, budget, and long-term goals. We believe that your home should reflect your personality, and your roof is a crucial element of that expression. That's why we offer a variety of materials, colors, and styles to ensure that your roof not only protects your home, but enhances its curb appeal. In conclusion, Plus Ultra Roofing is more than just a roofing company. We're your partners in creating a home that reflects your dreams and values. With expertise, quality, customer satisfaction, and sustainability at the core of our principles, we're here to redefine your roofing experience. So when you think about your home, think about Plus Ultra Roofing, the name that stands for excellence, reliability, and a commitment to turning your vision into reality. Contact us today and let's embark on a journey to elevate your home to new heights. Plus Ultra Roofing, where your roof is not just a cover, but a crown for your castle.